If you're a student, do you ever wish you could do extremely well in school without studying all the time? Do you wish you could get involved and be an influencer without sacrificing your grades or your fun? Do you wish you could learn the classroom material so effectively you look really good to prospective employers and really good to yourself? If so, making the grade is for you. Making the Grade is a 10-day study skills course. Just 10 days and about an hour a day, perfect for 8th grade on up, teaching you how to be a super student of excellence. You will learn how to take notes, especially at the college level, how to read your textbooks and articles effectively and quickly, how to write papers, how to complete and turn in amazing projects, how to overcome discouragement and stress, and how to use your time strategically so you can have a life, plus a whole bunch more. This is not simply how to get an A in a class. It's about learning the classroom material so effectively you can't help but get an A, whether it be math, science, English, history, a foreign language. It doesn't matter. The Making the Grade College Prep course will teach you how to learn, and it can change your academic future immediately. When I followed the information in this course, I made a 95% or higher in every class. I even made 107% in my business law class. And it wasn't like I studied all the time, but I finally learned how to study, and it made all the difference. Go to 4studysteps.com and take the Making the Grade College Prep course. This might be the best decision you have made in a long time. 4studysteps.com and change your academic future today.